On this page, we're going to talk about expressions with more than one operation and how we decide which operation to do first. Ready? Read. An expression with more than one operation needs to be evaluated in precise order. First, evaluate operations inside of parentheses. Let's take a look here at 4 times, and then you have 8 plus 1. Here are the parentheses. And here is the operation inside of the parentheses. On this problem, the first thing we will do is add 8 plus 1 because the operation of addition is inside of parentheses. Take a look over here real quick. You have 4 times 8 and the 8 is in parentheses. But there is no operation inside of here. This is just a number. So this would not count as an operation inside of parentheses. This is just a number. Down here on the final example, 2 times parentheses 4, that is not an operation inside of parentheses, but 3 times 4 plus 1 does have an operation inside of parentheses. So it's very important when we read this first statement that we are looking for an operation inside of parentheses and not just some number. Second, evaluate all multiplications. So after doing operations inside of parentheses, we move on to doing all the multiplications. So after you have added 8 plus 1, you will then multiply times 4. In this case down here, after we add the 4 plus 1, we will then multiply 3 times 5, and then multiply 2 times 4. We will do the 2 multiplication problems. Third, evaluate all additions and subtractions from left to right. And we practiced this in our Fluently Add and Subtract lesson, adding and subtracting from left to right. So sometimes you will add first, sometimes you will subtract first. Let's take a look at the check for understanding. Ready? Read. Describe how to evaluate this expression. 6 times, in parentheses, 1 plus 5. Use the sentence frame, describe the first operation, then the second operation to evaluate this expression. Well, because we have parentheses with an operation inside, first thing we will do is add 1 plus 5. Then we'll take that value and multiply times 6.